Hello students, welcome back to the math class. I hope you all are fine. Students, today we are going to start exercise 3.3. Now listen question number 1. Using divisibility test, determine which of the following numbers are divisible by 2, by 3, by 4, by 5, by 6, by 8, by 9, by 10, by 11. Say yes or no. Students, what is divisibility test? A divisibility test is a rule for determining whether one whole number is divisible by another. It is a quick way to find factors of large number. Now, what is the divisibility test by 2? Student, a number is divisible by 2 if the digit in the ones place should be 0, 2, 4, 6 or 8. Okay, now you can see here the number is 990. Okay, so number should have 0, 2, 4, 6, 8 at unit place. You can see here unit place means ones place. Here ones place is 0. So 0 is divisible by 2. Yes. So we will write here yes. 990 is divisible by 2. So answer is yes. Now what is the divisibility test by 3? Student, a number is divisible by 3 if the sum of the digits is divisible by 3. Now we have to find the divisibility test by 3. So sum of all digits should be divisible by 3. Now we will find the sum of 990. See here, number is 990. Now 9 plus 9 plus 0. Student, 9 plus 9, 18. 18 plus 0, 18. So 18 is divisible by 3. Say yes or no? Yes. 18 is divisible by 3. So sum of all the digits should be divisible by 3. So 990 is divisible by 3. Because sum of all the digits is divisible by 3. So answer is yes. So we will write here yes. Next is divisibility test by 4. So what is divisibility by 4? A number is divisible by 4 if the number's last two digits are divisible by 4. Now see, number is 990. Number is 990. So number found by last two digits should be divisible by 4. So you can see here 90 divided by 4. See, 4 to the 8. 4 to the 8. Remainder is 2. You can see here we have remainder 2. So 90 is not divisible by 4 because last two digit is not divisible by 4. It means 990 is not divisible by 4. So answer is no. So we will write here no. Okay. Next is divisibility test by 5. So what is divisibility test by 5? Ones place should be either 0 or 5. Okay. See, the number is 990. So what is divisibility test by 5? Ones place should be either 0 or 5. You can see here unit place is 0. So 990 is divisible by 5. So answer is yes. So we will write here yes. Okay. Next is divisibility test by 6. So now what is divisibility test by 6? Means numbers should be divisible by both 2 and 3. What is divisibility test by 6? Numbers should be divisible by both 2 and 3. Now you can see here 990 is divisible by 2. Yes. 990 is divisible by 3. Yes. It means 990 is also divisible by 6. So answer is yes. Okay. Students, now see divisibility by 8. What is divisibility by 8? Number found by last three digits should be divisible by 8. You can see here number is 990. Number is 990. We will check last three digits should be divisible by 8. Now 990 divided by 8. See here. 8 1 the 8. 9 minus 8 1. Here comes 19. 8 to the 16. 9 minus 6 3. 1 minus 1 0. So write here 0. 8 3 the 24. Now student, 30 minus 24. Yes, 6. You can see here we have remainder 6. It means 990 is not divisible by 8. So answer is no. We will write here no. Okay. Next is divisibility test by 9. So you know what is divisibility test by 9? Sum of all digits should be divisible by 9. Sum of all digits should be divisible by 9. So number is 990. Now here we will find the sum. Now here we will find the sum. 9 plus 9 plus 0. So 9 plus 9, 18. 18 plus 0, 18. 18 is divisible by 9? Yes. It means 990 is divisible by 9. So answer is yes. Okay. Now next is divisibility test by 10. Student, what is divisibility test by 10? Ones place should be 0. Okay, you can see here is a ones place, means unit place. Unit place is 0. If the unit place is 0, it means 990 is divisible by 10. So answer is yes. Last rule is divisibility test by 11. So student, what is divisibility test by 11? Difference between the sum of the digits at odd places from the right and the sum of the digit at even places from the right of the number. If the difference is either 0 or divisible by 11, then the number is divisible by 11. Now see here, number is 990. Okay, so firstly we will write sum of digits at odd places from the right. Okay, we will start from the right. This is odd number, this is even number, this is odd number. Okay, now sum of the digit at odd places from the right. Odd place is 0 plus odd place is 9. So 0 plus 9 equal to 9. Next we will write sum of the digits at even places from the right. Even place is 9. So only one number is there. So we will write here 9. Okay. Student, if the difference is either 0 or divisible by 11, then this number is divisible by 11. You can see here difference. 9 minus 9 equal to 0. If the difference is 0, then we can say that 990 is divisible by 11. So you can see here difference is 0. It means 990 is divisible by 11. So answer is yes. So we will write here yes. So the rest of the part are similar. You can do yourself. Thank you. Have a great day.